Scene script. Have you ever wondered how to travel the world with just a backpack and a smartphone? Imagine exploring new horizons, experiencing diverse cultures, and savoring world cuisines, all while carrying just a single bag. Welcome to the liberating concept of minimal travel. Minimal travel is not just about packing light, it's about living light. It's about shedding the excess and embracing the essentials. It's about the thrill of being on the move, unburdened by the weight of unnecessary belongings. It's about the joy of discovering that you can do more with less. On the flip side, we have one-bag travel, a revolutionary way of journeying the globe. It's about mastering the art of packing, about choosing what's vital and what's not. It's about the exhilarating challenge of fitting your world into one single backpack. So how exactly does one travel the world with just a backpack and a smartphone? Let's find out. The first step to becoming a minimal traveler is choosing the right travel backpack. Now you might think, it's just a bag, how hard can it be? Well, let me tell you, it's not as simple as it seems. When it comes to picking the perfect travel companion, size does matter. The bag should be large enough to carry your essentials, yet small enough to fit in overhead compartments on airplanes and under your seat on buses or trains. The last thing you want is to be that person struggling with an oversized bag while everyone else is waiting in line. Weight is another critical factor. Remember, you'll be carrying this bag on your back for extended periods. A lightweight bag will make your journey more comfortable and less of a physical strain. Look for a backpack made from durable, yet lightweight materials. A good travel backpack isn't just a big empty sack. It's a well-organized piece of luggage with multiple compartments. Separate compartments for your clothes, toiletries, and other essentials can make your life easier. You won't have to rummage through your bag every time you need something. And let's not forget about our tech-savvy travelers out there. If you can't leave your gadgets behind, consider a tech backpack. These specialized backpacks come with padded compartments for your laptop, tablet, and other electronics. They also have built-in charging ports, so you can keep your devices powered up on the go. But remember, a backpack is a personal choice. What works for one person might not work for another. Consider your travel style, your body type, and your personal preferences when choosing your bag. And don't forget, the perfect backpack isn't just about functionality, it's also about style. Choose a bag that reflects your personality. After all, this backpack is going to be your constant companion on your travels. You might as well love it. Once you've chosen your backpack, the next step is learning how to pack it right. Packing light is an art and a crucial part of how to travel the world with one backpack. It's a skill that transforms the way we experience our journey, making it less about what we carry and more about what we discover. Let's begin by understanding the essentials. The first rule of thumb is to pack only what you need: clothes, toiletries, and a few tech gadgets like your smartphone, charger, and perhaps a tech backpack for your digital necessities. Remember, every item you add is weight on your shoulders, so choose wisely. Next, think about multifunctional items. A jacket that doubles as a pillow, shoes that can be worn casually and formally, or a scarf that can serve as a blanket. These are the champions of a minimalist travel lifestyle. But how do we fit all of these into one backpack? It's simple. Use the roll method. Instead of folding, roll your clothes. This not only saves space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Place heavier items at the bottom and lighter ones on top, ensuring a comfortable carry. Consider using packing cubes. These are game changers. They help you categorize your items, keeping your backpack organized and easy to navigate. Remember, it's not just about what you pack, but also what you wear. Layer up for your flights. This way, you can carry your heavier clothing items, like jackets or boots, without them weighing down your backpack. And lastly, leave some space. You'll likely acquire souvenirs or additional items along your journey. Having a little extra room ensures you're not wrestling with zippers or leaving behind your newfound treasures. Packing light isn't just about saving space, it's about freedom, flexibility, and the thrill of minimal travel. It's about embracing the concept that less is indeed more, and that the world can be explored with just one backpack. So, are you ready to take the leap into a lighter, more adventurous way of travel? Now that we've packed our bags, let's talk about how to travel the world for cheap. Scene script. Traveling the world doesn't have to break the bank. You just need to know the right travel tips. Imagine this. You're standing at the edge of the Grand Canyon, your backpack slung over one shoulder, your smartphone in your hand. You're there not because you've emptied your life savings, but because you've learned the art of affordable travel. First things first, the budget. Budgeting is not just about setting a limit on your spending, but it's about understanding where your money goes. It's about making choices that maximize your travel experience. Do you need that 5-star hotel when you'll be out exploring all day? Or would a cozy local homestay add more flavor to your journey? Remember, every dollar you save on accommodation is a dollar you can spend on creating unforgettable memories. Next, let's talk about choosing affordable destinations. Not all travel destinations are created equal. Some places offer much more bang for your buck than others. Consider countries where your currency goes further, where the cost of living is low, and where you can experience rich cultures, delicious food, and stunning landscapes without burning a hole in your pocket. Lastly, take advantage of the modern traveler's best friend, your smartphone. There's a world of travel apps out there designed to help you save money. From finding the cheapest flights and accommodations to locating budget-friendly eateries and free attractions, these apps are your key to traveling the world without breaking the bank. But remember, affordable travel is more than just about saving money. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, making new friends, and creating experiences that you'll treasure for a lifetime. It's about proving that you don't need a fortune to travel the world. All you need is a well-packed backpack and a smartphone. Traveling the world with just a backpack and a smartphone is not only possible, but it's also an adventure of a lifetime. Are you ready to take on the world one backpack at a time? Imagine the sheer freedom of minimal travel, the thrill of exploring uncharted territories, the joy of immersing yourself in diverse cultures, all with just a backpack and a smartphone. We've explored the art of choosing the right travel backpack, the essential skill of packing light, and the thrill of affordable travel. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. It's time to turn the page, adventurers. Remember, the best travel backpack is one you can carry comfortably, packed with only the essentials. One bag travel not only lightens your load, but also frees your spirit. It's about making memories, not collecting souvenirs. So, how about swapping that extra t-shirt for a memorable experience? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have your own travel tips, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. Safe travels, adventurers.